Holy crap. Oh, it's cold start time. Let's go. Well guys, here's the daily. As you can see, always getting cold starts, and I'm going to keep doing cold starts until it becomes spring or summer, whatever you guys want to say. So that car's not really going to get a whole lot of work done towards it. It's more going to be this truck and my other TDI that's in the garage. That truck there is going to get a front solid axle swap, so then I can take it mudding. I'm going to create some mudding videos with it and turbocharge this guy. The other one in there just got to get running first. Now, one of your favorite parts during winter. A lot of progress videos will be coming on towards the channel about that other TDI that isn't running yet, so stay tuned, especially if you guys are enjoying these cold starts, because that TDI is going to be dumping and rolling cold, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next piece.